Hello everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG ERP account setup. So today we are heading towards the vendor management. After adding users, after adding customers and doing some initial admin setup, now we are going to add vendors in our BORG ERP account. So how we can add vendors in our account, let's see. So for that we need to go to side menu bar and we need to go to manage vendors. When I click on manage vendors, you can see over here all details of vendor management is shown here. These are some of few demo entries, and for now I can show you how you can add new vendors from this admin account. So there are two options. One is for the bulk upload and second is the adding vendors one by one, and third is the download option or the export option. So first, for the bulk option, if we click on this, we get a sample CSV file over here. We need to download this sample CSV file, and then we need to fill all those details of vendors which you have in your sheets or on your paperwork. These all things we can do. And after you are done with all those details, you can then upload the same file in BORG ERP account. So coming back to BORG ERP account, you can see over here, you are then supposed to upload that particular file. Then second option is by adding vendors one by one. So for that, we need to add the vendor or enterprise name, contact person name, mobile number, email. These all the details are needed, and then we will be going to submit all those details. After clicking on submit, this particular vendor will be added, and that particular vendor will be shown in this table. So this is the way we can add vendors on this account by two ways, that is a bulk upload and the single click adding one by one. So thank you very much, and if you find it useful in your day-to-day process, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.